Welcome to Big Daddy Story Time. We're reading Walt Disney's Play with Minnie. Can you see Minnie there? She's saying, "Hey, would you like to play with me? You would like to play with Minnie? Okay, let's read the story about Play with Minnie then." What a beautiful spring day, says Minnie. "I'm going to grow some daffodils and violets in my garden," says Minnie. "What can I use to plant the seeds?" Mickey, can you help me? Okay. "Oh, Toodles," calls Mickey. Toodles brings a hammer, a shovel, and a mystery mouse tool. Minnie uses the shovel to dig up the earth and pat down the seeds. That's right, Minnie. Great job. Daisy decides to plant a vegetable garden. "I'm growing carrots, peas, and peppers," she says. "Now I need to label them." Goofy grabs some signs and goes, "Gosh," he says, "how will we get these things into the ground?" "Wow, oh, Toodles," calls Donald. "How about the hammer?" Daisy hammers the signs into the ground. That's a great tool. The next day, the sun disappears behind some clouds. Then the north wind begins to blow. "Oh no," says Minnie at the clubhouse door. "All my flower seeds are blowing away." "My vegetable seeds are blowing away too," says Daisy. "Uh-oh." "Gosh," says Goofy, "the wind can unplant faster than we planted." "We need to sing the North Wind Blew All Round song." "Okay, let's do it." "There were some seeds in the middle of the ground, the littlest seed which you ever did see. Well, the seeds in the ground, and the north wind blew all around, and the north wind blew all around." We got to do that one more time. "There were some seeds in the middle of the ground, the littlest seeds that you ever did see. Well, the seeds in the ground, and the north wind blew all around, and the north wind blew all around." That's great, my friends. Excellent job. "Well, we'll just have to go outside and plant our seeds again," says Minnie. "But the wind continues to blow. Then it begins to rain." "This storm's a doozy," says Mickey, looking through the telescope. "Looks like we're stuck in the clubhouse until it stops raining," says Daisy. A few days later, Daisy looks outside. The wind has stopped. The rain has stopped. The sun has come out. Yay! And a beautiful rainbow fills the sky. Daisy runs out to the garden and starts planting again. Yay! Great job, Daisy. But to her surprise, her garden is already full of flowers. Busy bees buzz zzz, 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 from one beautiful bloom to another. Donald tries to figure out why there are flowers growing in Daisy's vegetable garden. "I wonder what they could be. Where could they have come from?" "Daisy, Daisy, it's amazing." We got to sing that song together. Let's do it. "Daisy, Daisy, it's amazing. How does your garden grow? With daffodils on little hills and violets all in a row." We got to do that one more time. That was so fun. "Daisy, Daisy, it's amazing. How does your garden grow? With daffodils on little hills and violets all in a row." Wow, great job, my friends. You did so great. Thank you for singing that with me. When Minnie sees the sun and the rainbow, she runs outside too. Her flower garden is full of vegetables. "How did that happen?" Minnie says. "We need to sing the Carrots, Peas, and Peppers Grow song." Let's do it. "Carrots, peas, and peppers grow. Carrots, peas, and peppers grow. Or can you and I or anyone know how carrots, peas, and peppers grow?" Let's do that one more time together. "Carrots, peas, and peppers grow. Carrots, peas, and peppers grow. Can you or I or anyone know how carrots, peas, and peppers grow?" Great job on singing that with me. Yeah, you did so great. "The wind must have blown the seeds from Daisy's vegetable garden into Minnie's flower garden," says Mickey. "That's right, Mickey. And it blew the seeds from Minnie's flower garden into Daisy's vegetable garden. What a pickle! I guess we'll have to move the vegetables and the flowers," says Goofy, grabbing a big bunch of things. "Gosh, now what do we do with that shovel and hammer go?" I have an idea, says Daisy. We'll make a yummy pot of what? A pot of soup out of Minnie's veggies, and we'll have a picnic on Daisy's pretty flower garden, says Minnie. I like that idea, says Goofy, patting his tummy. Pluto likes it too. Bark, 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 bark. Don't forget the mystery mouse tool, says Minnie. It's you guessed it, it's a camera. Everyone stand together and smile. We need to preserve this forever. Minnie says. And look, there's our friends. There's Minnie, Daisy, Donald, Goofy, and Pluto. Wow, look at that. All of our friends are there. And look, there's the Mystery Mouse tool, a camera. What have we learned today, my friends? We learned from Minnie and her friends that playing with friends in the garden and all the things that happen in the garden is fun. Have a fun-filled day, my friends. Be sure to like, favorite, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Big Daddy Story Time. God bless.